Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Trello and Ison. So the use case here is, whenever a new card is created in Trello, automatically broadcast message in Ison. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Trello is a software application that helps you to organize your projects into boards. Whereas Ison is a software application that provides you video conferencing solution. Although Trello and Ison have some native integration between them, but this native integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software that allows you to transfer data from Trello to Ison. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I'm going to hover over this product section and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow in your account. Okay, so now I am going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and you can see so many workflows that have already been created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow and I'm going to click on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Trello to Ison. Now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now here in Choose App, I am going to choose Trello. Now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a new card is created in Trello, we want to broadcast Ison message. That is why new card will be our trigger event over here. Now you can see we have various other options available. You can select whichever option you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a new card is created in Trello, we want to broadcast message in Ison. That is why new card in Trello will be our trigger event, whereas broadcasting message in Ison will be our action event. So now I'm going to click on Connect with Trello. Okay. Now under credentials, you can see we have two options. Either you can create new credentials and you have to enter the username, API key and token over here. Or if you have any existing credentials like this, you can directly click on it. Here I am just going to click on new credentials and I'll show you how to get your username, API key and token. So in order to get your username, what you have to do is you have to first log into your Trello account. So I've already logged into my Trello account. I am here. Now I'm going to click on this profile settings over here and you can see this option called profile and visibility. Okay, so when you scroll down here, you can see your username. So I'll just copy my username from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. Okay, now in order to get your API key and token, you can read the instruction. You can find the about details by login to your Trello account. After login, you can get the API key and can generate a token from here. So there's a link over here. I'll click on it. Okay, so here we have our API key. So I'll just copy it from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. So in order to get your token, you can see there's one more link over here. I'll open it. So when you come down, we'll wait for a few seconds. Allow. Okay, so we have our token also. I'll just copy it from here, go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. Okay, so now this username, API key and token are going to help us to build a connection between Trello and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on Save. Okay, so now here you can see we have few fields, board. So here you might have created some board in your Trello account. Like if I go to my Trello, I'll go to my home. Okay, so you can see I have all these boards already created over here. If you want, you can also create a new board. So here I am going to create a new board now. I am going to name it as Trello to Ison. Okay, create board. Okay, so you can see I have created this new board called Trello to Ison. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just refresh it once. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this option over here and let us search for our board. So our board is here, Trello to Ison. Okay, so now next option is list. So under your board, you have an option of creating different list. So here you can see I have this list. So I'm going to create list over here, Ison 1. If I want, I can also create one more list. Okay. So now I want to create a card under this list, that is Ison 2. So what I'm going to do is I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just refresh this once. Okay. So now here you can see I have two options over here. So I'm going to select Ison 2 because in Ison 2 list, I want to create a card. Now here you can see a webhook URL is displayed over here. So usually what happens is that after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application. But here you don't have to do it because we have already built a connection with API key and token. So now when you click on save and send test request, the webhook will be created automatically. The data will be sent to this URL without us going and pasting this URL inside the trigger software manually. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so now here this response is of the previous card that might have been created. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to click on capture webhook response. Okay, so now I'll go to my Trello account and in this board that is Trello to Ison and in this list that is Ison 2, I am going to create a card and then we'll wait for Pabbly Connect to capture the data. So I'll go to my Trello account and in this Ison 2, I am going to create a card. Trello card to Ison message. Add card. Okay. So I've added this card called Trello card to Ison message. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, waiting for webhook response. Okay, so you can see we have got our API response over here. You can see model name is over here, Ison 2. If you go down, you can see the card name is here. You can see the list name is Ison 2. The board name is Trello to Ison. Okay, so we have successfully got our response over here. Now I'm just going to save it. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Trello and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to begin with our second step integration where we will integrate Ison and Pabbly Connect. So here I am going to choose Ison. And now in action event according to our workflow, whenever a new card is created in Trello, we want to broadcast a message. That is why I am going to click on broadcast message, connect with Ison. Okay. Create new or select existing credentials. Now again you have two options. Either you can create new credential by putting API key. If you have any existing credential, you can just select it. Here I am just going to let it be new credentials. Okay. So here you have to get your API key. So in order to get your API key, you can read the instructions carefully. Okay. So now I'll go to my Ison account. Okay. So now I'll go to my Ison account. I've already logged into my Ison account over here. Now I am going to go to my left hand side corner and here you can see API. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now I'll just start my project now. Integration of Ison and Trello. Request API key. Okay, so they have sent a confirmation. So in my mail, I got a link and here is my API key. So if you want, you can also regenerate an API key. So I am just going to copy this API key from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it over here. Okay. So now this API key is going to help us to build a connection between Ison and Pabbly Connect. Now I am going to click on save. So now here we have these fields and we have to fill the information according to our responses. So first is access key. So you can read the instruction, enter the access key of active room, get access key from active room URL. Alphabet in bold is your access key. That means first we have to go to the active room. Inside the active room's URL, we'll get a key like this that is in bold. So we need to copy that alphabet in bold. Okay, so now I'll go to my ISIN account. Okay, so here in ISIN, I have created only one room. I'll show you. If I go back, you can see I only have created one room. So I'm going to open this room and I'm going to join. Okay, so now I'm going to click on it and I'm going to join. Okay, so now I'm going to join it. Okay, so here we are in our meeting room. So now what I'm going to do is here you can see the URL. So now after this question mark, I am just going to copy this URL from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so now we have pasted this access key over here. Now coming down, type. So here, what kind of message is it? So I'm just going to write chat over here. Okay, now content. So here you have to write the message that you want to broadcast in the meeting. So I'm just going to write here, new card. I'll map the name of our card. Is created under, we have the list name over here. I'll just map it. List in, I'll map the board name. Board. Okay, so we have a message over here. A new card, that is this, is created under ISIN 2 list in board name is here. Okay, so now I am just going to click on save and send test request. So we have our API response over here. I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so now let us go to ISIN meeting room and check if we have a new message there or not. So I'll go to my meeting room here. So here you can see a new card, Trello card to ISIN message is created under ISIN 2 list in Trello to ISIN board. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my Trello account and now I'm going to create another card. Integration is successful. Okay, so I've created a new card called integration is successful. Now I'll go back to our meeting room and we are going to check if there is a new message or not. You can see a new card integration is successful is created under ISIN 2 list in Trello to ISIN board. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Trello to Pabbly Connect, then from Pabbly Connect the information went to ISIN. So now every time a new card is created in Trello, automatically a message will be broadcasted in ISIN. So we have successfully finished the integration of Trello and ISIN using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.